Hey, I've got a question for you. I've designed and 3D printed this measuring cup for my wife, and it has a cool feature where the bottom unscrews and it reveals a mesh screen so she can do flour sifting or rinsing of fruits or rice. My question is, what type of seal or gasket should I use in here so that when you screw this on, it doesn't leak water from right here, which is exactly what happened when she tried it, and she wants to know what we could do to make this watertight. Leave a comment to let me know whether you think I should put a gasket or seal in here, or should it be on the main body somewhere. Let me know in the comments.